The countdown is almost over. Momentarily, 50 years of magic and pure excitement collide in Memories in Motion. Invites you to step beyond the ordinary and journey into the beautiful tapestry of your own heart. While tradition meaningfully links our past to our present, memories possess the unique power to transform fleeting experiences into enduring legacies. We invite you to journey alongside Alice, unlock your mind's deepest wonders, and behold Memories in Motion.
As I reminisce, I think about what makes a day great. Is it the rush of adrenaline? The sound of laughter? Or the anticipation of what's to come? For me, it is something more. Something far more precious. I remember it just like it was yesterday. Little did I know, it would turn out to be a day to remember.
Hey guys, I'm bored. I don't want to waste our summer away. I want to do something fun.
Me too. What are you guys thinking?
I don't know.
I know. Let me see if Mom will let me borrow the car. We could all go down to Great America. That's a great idea. Let's go.
All right.
Part of me wanted to run right to the eagle, but tradition is tradition.
I know. Let's start at the beginning. The carousel.
All right. That sounds like a good plan. Let's go.
I'll race you.
Wait for me.
It takes us so long as it spins to a song. It's a daydream. Can you come on along now? To the carousel, get your life ring from love. You need a special girl. Hold her hand, take a journey on a
Our day in the park had just begun. After our ride on the carousel, we knew it was time to chase some thrills. We thought we were prepared, but then we came face to face with the demon.
You can live your life better, take a little time for meditating. 'Cause he's waiting, he's a demon. It's time to change your mind, 'cause soon you're gonna find out you're on a trip in the grip of a demon. Have you ever seen a demon? Have you ever heard him scream? What is the demon? What he sees, or just a bad dream in your mind? You're gonna find out. So if you're really brave, gonna see the demons, can you see you do? You're only fool for the demon. Didn't we tell you the demon can smell you? You're delicious, you're delicious to the demon. Don't look over your shoulder, just when you're feeling bolder, he'll be there in the air. The demon's so demanding, so have this understanding that you're gonna die. You're gonna find out. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon. He's a demon.
After surviving our run with the demon, we decided to chase a few friendly faces, and I knew just where to find them.
Feast your eyes on that big world outside. It's a fact, step out and don't look back. This is the time for having fun. You're never too old.
this would be a day we would never forget. And right then and there, I knew that we would come back to this place every summer.
And we did. We grew up with Great America, and Great America grew up with us. Now, these cherished memories from our childhood are shared with our family.
While these great moments may pass, great memories will live with us forever. Where it's a ride on the carousel, facing the demon, or dancing with friendly faces,
We know we are going to have a great day.
today and for the next 50 years to come.
Thank you for joining us for Memories in Motion. We hope you have a wonderful evening and have a safe trip home.